What happens if you keep your eyes open for 30 days? At first, it just feels uncomfortable. Your eyes get dry and you start to blink less. Lubrication stops, making your eyes feel scratchy and irritated. You'll start to notice redness, blurred vision, and sensitivity to light. This is your body's first warning sign. As you keep your eyes open for long periods, the strain on your eyes increases. You might develop more severe symptoms like eye pain, twitching, and difficulty focusing. The surface of your eyes, especially the cornea, becomes vulnerable to infections and injuries, making it painful even to move your eyes. By the end of 30 days, your eyes would be severely damaged. Without proper blinking and rest, the cornea can dry out completely, leading to serious complications like corneal ulcers or scarring. Your vision could become permanently impaired, and in the worst case, you could face partial or total vision loss. But there's good news. Blinking regularly helps keep your eyes lubricated and protected from environmental damage. Taking breaks from screens and allowing your eyes to rest is essential for long-term eye health. Always give your eyes the care they need. They are your windows to the world.